Survicate is the top-rated and most reviewed survey app that integrates natively with HubSpot's CRM. With Survicate, you can embed surveys directly in HubSpot emails, automatically enrich contact profiles with responses, trigger workflows based on feedback, and more. You can embed NPS, CSAT, or custom surveys directly in your HubSpot emails. Your customers can respond with a single click right from their inbox, eliminating the need for external survey links. Just create and customize your survey and then copy the embed code. Paste it into an HTML box in HubSpot's email builder. You can also map survey responses to HubSpot fields. This means your team can see all feedback data in the same place they're already working, with no manual data entry required. Survicate app cards display survey responses directly on HubSpot's contact profiles. Your sales and support teams can view feedback history and forward insights to Survicate for AI analysis within the contact profile. You can use surveys and survey responses to trigger HubSpot workflows or personalize messaging. For example, a low NPS score can automatically create a support ticket, while a high satisfaction rating can trigger a workflow requesting a review or testimonial. Survicate's AI analyzes feedback from multiple sources, including your HubSpot interactions and survey responses. The platform sorts responses for you and finds patterns across all customer interactions. Use the Research Assistant, an AI chat trained on your data only, to search your feedback and uncover new issues or trends. Different teams use the Survicate integration for specific purposes. Marketing teams track campaign feedback and qualify leads through surveys. Product teams gather feature feedback and user experience insights to inform their roadmap decisions. Support teams measure CSAT scores and set up proactive outreach for at-risk customers. To add the Survicate integration to HubSpot, go to the HubSpot app marketplace, search for Survicate, click Install App, and you will be redirected to the Survicate login. Once you're logged in, click Connect. A pop-up window will appear. Log into your HubSpot account. The integration is ready to use.